Have you ever wondered how barbed fishing hooks are made? Let's explore the process. Fishing hooks are typically made from alloy steel, such as carbon steel or stainless steel. First, the steel wire is cut into small segments that match the length of the hook to be produced. These steel pieces are then polished on a grinding wheel to achieve the correct diameter and a sharp pointed tip. The other end is shaped into a round or flat handle to make it easier to attach a fishing line. Next, the process of creating the barb begins. A specialized knife is used to make a small cut at the tip of the hook. The depth of this cut is precisely controlled, and just a slight incision is enough to form the barb. After this, the hook is bent into its final shape. Then, the hook undergoes heat treatment, including blue flame heating and annealing, to enhance its strength, flexibility, and fatigue resistance. To further improve its corrosion and oxidation resistance, the hook is electroplated, which also gives it various surface colors. Once the hooks pass all quality checks and inspections, they are packaged and ready for sale. There are thousands of different types of fishing hooks available, but they are generally divided into two main types: barb and barbless hooks. Barbless hooks, as the name suggests, do not have a barb on the inside of the hook's tip. The advantage of barbless hooks is that they penetrate easily and can be removed quickly. However, they have a higher chance of losing bait or letting the fish escape due to the lack of a barb, which makes them less commonly used. On the other hand, barbed hooks are the most commonly used today. The key feature of a barbed hook is that the barb prevents the bait from slipping off the hook, making it much harder for fish to escape once they've bitten. The downside is that barbed hooks can cause significant damage, and if you're not careful, you could end up hooking yourself, and you'll truly know what it feels like to be on the hook. Have you ever used any of these types of hooks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more interesting content.